In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle vector paths in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer, understanding how to manipulate vector paths is crucial for creating scalable and precise designs. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident and equipped to work with vectors in Figma. Let's get started. Begin by heading over to Figma's website, which is a collaborative interface design tool that many of us rely on for creating and sharing designs seamlessly. Once you're on the Figma homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Simply click the login button located prominently on the page. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one, but assuming you're all set up, this step should be a breeze. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Figma home screen. This is your launching pad to dive into all your previous projects. Navigate to your recent projects or shared files and click on one to open it. This will take you to your design workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you're in your project, click on the Design option. This is where you can find all your design tools and elements, including text and vector options. With your workspace ready, go ahead and click on a text element within your project. Selecting text is straightforward and ensures you're working on the right design element. Here's where the vector part comes in. Right-click on the selected text, and from the context menu, you'll want to select Outline Stroke. This function is pivotal as it converts your text into a vector shape, allowing for more advanced manipulation. Once your text is outlined, it's no longer text. It's a series of vector paths that can be reshaped or adjusted to fit your design needs. Next, to fully utilize these vector paths, let's focus on the vector tool itself. Click on the vector icon in your toolbar. This provides you with the necessary tools to edit each path, node, and curve of your outlined text. You can move nodes around, adjust curves, and reshape your design as desired. Throughout this process, don't hesitate to experiment. Vectors are incredibly flexible, allowing you to tweak and perfect as you go. Remember, if you ever make a change you're unhappy with, you can always undo it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to handle vector paths in Figma effectively. Practice these techniques and soon manipulating vector graphics will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing.